Welcome to Rough Cut Life Garage. My son Ethan is going to add saddlebag frames to his CRF250L. And we're just going to watch him do it, and I'm not going to tell him how, he's just going to do it all by himself. Here's the kit that it comes with nice instructions, all in English. This is all from Amazon. It was pretty reasonably priced. And it feels pretty solid. It's got a nice pack of hardware here. Everything's organized and set up. And it just goes from this hook down to, I think it is this bolt here. And yeah, that's that. So he's going to start taking it all apart. There you go. It looks like you got more tools or your insurance. And then here's your air. And yep. Under that's probably your battery. Yeah. Looks nice and decently clean though.
Just like attach the swing around.
No, it'll be okay. Yep. Nope. That's right. Yeah, just like that. And then just go.
Hand tighter?
Yep. So does it grab the threads?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'll just start the other one. I'll cut that out, don't worry. It's already nice and solid. We haven't even done this one yet. This is great. It's nice and snug.
Yeah.
Let me give this one a little bit more. And then just double check your first one and you should be good to go. And it won't rattle when we're hammering down the Idaho BDR. This is a very different change here where he's doing all the work and I'm just watching, handing him tools. Torch is passed. So here we are on the exhaust side and he's just removing the one bolt down here. Sort of by the peg. And these are custom pegs, by the way. Super nice aftermarket. Way better than the ones I have on my 250L. And then after we're done this, we've got a little bit of work to do on the handguard situation here. One had fallen off and gotten loose, and now it's a bit of a pain, so we're going to fix that up too. And just like that, he's ready to go for the other side, which is pretty awesome. So this just no spacer, goes right in. So you want to make sure you clear that, eh? Yeah, there you go. Hopefully that works, otherwise you will need a spacer. Oh, that's good, and then we'll do the other side. Here, I'll hold this if you want to. I feel like it's grabbing.
Yeah, that's grabbing.
Okay, there you go. Another cool thing about these bars too is it's really going to protect his bike a bit, especially on the back side. You can see here, like, he doesn't have engine guards, but this might actually still prevent his engine from hitting anything. And he does have a lot of protection underneath here. He's got the big plate down there, which is great. So yeah, these are gonna, and they're super solid. So just checking all 4 bolts now, making sure they're very snug. Alright, now the pannier racks are on, everything lined up nice and solid. If you're running a CRF250L and thinking about adding luggage for your bike, this is a pretty straightforward install. My 16-year-old son nailed it. I'm pretty proud of him. If you want to see how this handles with gear on it, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll show you in the next video. Thanks for watching.